Hey, it's Kevin from Cruising with Wheels, and this is
Robert.
And we are on the NCL Encore.
Everybody's eating and enjoying themselves. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Oh, where's Karen? There's Mallory.
Chicken soup, tomato soup.
Every 5 minutes.
Oh, make sure you get that other table.
Yeah, it really is.
Just give me a sec, almost there. The perfect margarita.
Oh, the good stuff is
Just
coming.
The Chardonnay. They give you two, madam. They love you. I'm missing just the Michelob Ultra. It's coming, yeah? Heineken. Pepsi. Sorry, pass it on. Pass it on. My hand is shaking. Here you go. I will be back for the Michelob Ultra. Yes, please, yeah? Hello.
New.
I thought you said 12:30.
New because we have a 2 o'clock slot call.
What?
2 o'clock slot call.
Yeah, that I knew.
Yeah. You gotta order fast, eat fast, and get rolling. I told the other table, no lollygagging.
No lollygagging. Who made you this waffle?
There they are. It's Gavin and Jamie. We're at Savor for our group lunch, Friday the 24th. They look like they're ready to eat.
Gavin's always ready for his dinner. Aren't you, Gavin?
I love it. He gives away your secrets, Gavin. You're always ready to eat. I'm going to take a picture of Kevin, taking a picture of me, taking a picture of him. There you go. It's all happening
There's
here.
always somebody to hate, right?
Well, you know, times are... Put your phone down, Frank.
Okay, hold on. There's... I can see.
But if not...
Cheese curds?
Yeah. Just appeared over my shoulder. Okay.
And the fish and chips, they can put it
Just want to remind you that everybody gets 3 pushes of the button. What we're asking is that you wait until it is done spinning before you push the button. So you're going to have to wait for either the high sign from me or from Robert. Because Robert is our group leader. So everybody, let's thank Robert. And what Robert's doing is he's going to be keeping track of a couple of things. The first thing he's keeping track of is, did you get your 3 spins? The second thing he's keeping track of is, how much money did you win on each spin? The third thing he's keeping track of, and this is why we say, please wait until we tell you to push again. We promise we're trying to make this fun, but the fun part about knowing all this information is the last thing is, how many free spins did you get? Because Frank and I have decided to give prizes for certain levels of things. So, the person who has won the most money for the group, because remember, we're all splitting the winnings at the end of this equally. So if Sean, if you win $10,000 today, thank you very much. Yes. You'll get your share.
Thank you, Sean.
What we're doing is we have different price levels. I won't bore you with all of them. I'll tell you how we kind of thought of it. The person with the most money, one, is going to get a prize. The person with the least amount of money, one. So Laura's going to get a prize. So the least amount. The person who has the most free spins. So please pray for free spins.
Yeah.
And I wanted to explain the machine. We picked a machine. I know I had promised it was going to be a $3 max, but I've turmoiled over this in the casino trying to find the right machine. Darlene and Dave will tell you I'm a gambling guru at home, so let's hope. Let's hope. But this machine has multiple things that it does. You can win free spins. That is if you get free features. You can also, if you get 5 or more wheels on the board, then we spin the wheel. And that's how we win a progressive. I tooled around. Robert and I, we left the lunch a little early, and we looked again because the progressives change constantly. This seemed to have the highest progressive available for what we have to spend. So I'm going to start first so I can show you all how we're doing it. And then I'm going to need Linda Paratzis. Forgive me if I say your name wrong. Linda, there you are. Tom Greco, Lynn Mitchell, Gavin Till, and Janine Davis. We'll start out with them, okay? What I ask is, anybody that's in the slot tournament, we want to be respectful for the people that are in the casino as well. So if you could just make sure that there is a pathway so that they can get in and out. Because at 2 o'clock, they're starting a blackjack tournament too. And another slot pull. So I'm going to load the money back on the machine and then we'll get started, okay? Yes. Are we all excited? Yeah! We're going to win some money? Yeah!